In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to stop Shopify monthly subscription. First of all, go to Shopify dashboard and log in here with your admin credentials. And now on your dashboard, click on settings from the bottom left corner, and under settings, we need to go to plan. And here you'll see all of the plan details you are currently using. So this is the plan I have, which is discounted one, and it will end on 18th August. If I don't do anything, then I'll be charged $32 on 19th August. So I want to stop it. So to do that, we need to click on deactivate store from the bottom. Now you have three options. For the first option, you can pause your store and still build it. So basically only the checkout page will be disabled for your store and it will still cost you $9 per month. That's why I don't prefer these two options. I want to go with this one, which is deactivate store. So you can deactivate or stop your store now, and Shopify will still store your information for the next 2 years and you can come back anytime. So I want to click on this one, and now it will ask you for the reason of deactivation. So we need to select the reason from here. I find Shopify too expensive, that's why I'm just gonna select that option from here, and now click on continue. Now it will ask you whether you want to save your payment details or not. I don't want to save it, that's why I'll keep it unchecked. Then enter your Shopify store password and then click on deactivate store, and your deactivation process will start and your store will be deactivated and you won't be charged in the next month. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.